parallel lines. Two lines L and M are said to be parallel if they lie on the same plane and the distance between them is same, however far they are extended. See, here we have two matchsticks. Aren't they parallel?
Yes, Professor, they are parallel because distance between them is constant.
Okay, whereas two lines are said to be intersecting if they meet each other at a certain point. And now we will understand what a transversal is. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal, and if two lines are cut by a transversal, then 8 different angles are formed. Angles which lie in exterior to the lines A and B, say angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are called exterior angles, whereas angles which lie interior to the lines A and B, say angle 3, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 5 are called interior angles.
That's quite clear, Professor.
Now observe angle 1 and angle 5. Both the angles are on the same side of the transversal and both the angles are above the lines A and B respectively. So this is a pair of corresponding angles. Now Bubbly, can you tell me how many other pairs of corresponding angles you can observe in this figure?
Professor, I can see only one more pair, that is angle 2 and angle 6.
Well Bubbly, two more pairs of corresponding angles are there in this figure. And they are angle 3 and angle 7 and angle 4 and angle 8 because both the angles in pairs below the lines and on the same side of the transversal.
I understood it, Professor.
Well, I hope Bubbly, corresponding angles are now clear, isn't it?
Yes, Professor, this is clear.
Good. But you should know one more fact about corresponding angles. And the fact is, if two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal, or we can say if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel.
How come, Professor? I am not clear with this statement.
I will explain. We will take a tracing paper and trace the lines A and B and the transversal L on it. Now we will move this tracing paper until line A coincides with B. Here you can see that angle 1 on the traced paper coincides with angle 5 of the original paper. This proves angle 1 is equal to angle 5, and we know that this is a pair of corresponding angles. So we can say that if two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal, or say vice versa.